So what's up guys? Today we make license plate holder for this KTM, so let's get started. So all you need is a license plate, of course, plastic tube, axle, GoPro mounts. Thanks for the guy who gave me this, but if you don't have GoPro you can get these mounts for eBay for very cheap. So first we have to look how this license plate fits in this KTM, and you can see it fits perfectly. So fitment of this Finnish license plate is pretty good. For example, I show how to install this adapter. There's many options, but I use pop rivet. So next, I already installed this plastic piece. Axle. So now the system is done. This is GoPro mount. Now it's ready, and you can go wild out, ride out, whatever you want. You just remove your license plate and there you go. Thank you for watching. I very appreciate if you share this video and like and subscribe. Thank you.